N8N AI agent. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the N8N website. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In at the top right. After logging in, go to the top right and click Create Workflow. In the editor, click the plus icon in the center to add a trigger. Choose on Chat Messages to enable AI interaction. Set it to make chat publicly available. Adjust the mode and authentication, and add other options as needed. Back in the workflow, click the plus icon beside the message note. Search for AI and select AI agent. Once the AI agent appears, set the source for prompt. In user message prompt, click the small icon to look expression prompt. Enable require specific and enable fallback where you can keep disable it. Then customize other settings. Back in the workflow, add a chat model below the AI agent. Search for OpenAI chat model. Get your OpenAI API key by searching OpenAI API on Google, sign in, then copy your API key. Paste it into N8N and click Save. Choose your preferred model and options. Then add memory, set context length, and finally insert code tool. Your AI agent is now ready to use in chat.